Are your both eyes working? Do you have the budget? Do you have the budget in place? Oh. Do you have the budget in place? Do you have the accounting system in place? Is your mouth doing its work? Do you generate reports? Is your nose doing its work? Do you notice if things are not going right in your organization? Are your staff competent to do their role? Do you have enough sufficient funds to run your organization? Do you have the right policies that will drive the right culture and value for your business to thrive? Those are some of the things that we support you on. So the question to you is your phase complete or compromised? If it is compromised, please sign up for the program so that you know how you can be supported. So many SMEs are not able to afford a full-time chief finance officer. But through this program, you can get this training from the chief finance officer that you can pass on to your team, but also you as a business owner, you can gain the same skill set. Okay, so as I've said before, you're going to be taught about planning and budgeting, how to have robust accounting systems, how to have right reports for your key performance indicators, how to have right internal control systems in place, how to design, how to determine your right adequate working capital for your business and the right staff for you. And they can use a health check to do that. As Zadok Associates, one of the things that we do is to determine how healthy is your current system and see the loopholes that are there that can be plugged in to improve on your business. So the teams that will come to you for the 3 months that are going to be supporting you, they'll help you to eliminate some of the mistakes that we've seen in many businesses. One of the mistakes that many businesses have, they don't separate the business from the owner. And because of that, you find a situation where the business runs down the owner's what are they called, savings, because the business is just taking from the owner, and then if the business is not profitable, but they're not able to detect early enough that the business is not profitable. And vice versa, the owner could be broke, and instead of drawing a salary, they're just drawing down the capital in the business. So the team will help you to know how do you separate the two of you, the business from the owner of the business. And also the team will help you to avoid the second mistake, which most businesses have. They do not have proper record keeping and bookkeeping. And because of this, they're running businesses that are not profitable, but they do not know that they're running businesses that are not profitable. We realize that most business owners or most entrepreneurs are running more than one business. They'll have 2, 3, 4 businesses. But you'll find that one business is profitable, but another one is not profitable, but this one is eating from the other one. But because they do not have proper record keeping for each of the different businesses, one business is actually drawing down a good potential business. Now, the team will help you to have proper record keeping for each of your line of businesses so that you know which business is profitable to continue with it, which business is not profitable to discontinue it or find ways of how to improve on its performance. And the third mistake that most business owners do is not being able to understand their financial statements. They're simply, because it's number phobic, they see numbers and they just freeze. But do you know, it doesn't have to be complicated. All you need to know is understand the basic things. What do you have to look out for so that you're having your business at the puzzle, on your fingertips, okay? And so the team will come to you and show you how to understand financial statements, but in a simple way, without making you an accountant, but in a simple way that you can make the right decisions to grow your business, okay? So some of the financial statements that the team will help you to put in place are the income statement, or commonly known as the profit and loss statement, the balance sheet, the cash flow forecast, or the cash flow statement that will help you to see, yes, you've made a profit, okay? But then why are you broke? Because you can find that you're running a very profitable business, but you have no money, the bank account is dry. How do you explain that phenomenon? That your business is profitable, but you have no cash. They'll advise you what should you look out for so that you avoid a situation where you are having a lot of assets, but you have no cash in your bank for running your business. Most accountants will give you a report like that on the screen. But do you know how to understand the numbers? Now, the CFOs that will come to your business will help you to understand these numbers in a very simplistic way. And they'll help you to understand what you should be looking out for and what the numbers mean. and they'll help you to know to relate one report with the other report with the other report, so that no one can cheat you. Okay, because when you understand the numbers, you're able to supervise the accountants, you're able to know when they are cooking the books so that they don't cook up books for you. But you just have the basic knowledge of what should I look out for in an income statement, what should I look out for in a balance sheet, what should I look out for in a cash flow statement. In a nutshell, the team will come and help you to set up your financial dashboard. The same way your car has a dashboard, your business should also have a dashboard that guides you to steer the business to the right direction. The same way your car has a speedometer, your business should also have a profit and loss statement, which measures or determines or tells you the rate of growth of your business. The same way your car has a fuel gauge, your business should have a cash flow forecast. This one tells you the money you have right now, how far can it take you? Are you foreseeing a situation where in a couple of weeks or a couple of months you're going to run dry? What do you do now to avoid that situation occurring in the future? Are there some receivables or people who owe you money that you should collect from now to meet your obligations? Are there some suppliers that you owe money, but you'll not be able to meet the timeline for that and you negotiate with them now? So the cash flow forecast will help you to determine how to run your business without being cash strapped. But also, the team that will come to you will help you to understand how to read or put together a balance sheet. A balance sheet is like in the car, you have your temperature gauge or your oil pressure indicator that tells you, is your engine overheating? Is the engine fine? Is it flowing smoothly? So the team that will come to you will let you know, are you doing the right thing with the money that you're investing? Are you investing in the right places? Are you investing in the right things? Are you borrowing for the right reason? The borrowing rate that you've borrowed with, are you going to make enough money to pay that interest and still remain profitable? Some of these are the things that the team that will come to your business will help you to work on and to make sure that you have them in place. So the CFOs will help you to create your financial dashboard, but also if you have any issues with your face, if you remember the face that I've just shown you now, you'll be able to fix those mistakes that you may have had in your business. As someone said, things that have already happened before, there's nothing you can do about them. But going forward, you can change the course of your business to make it thrive and be sustainable. So what I can do is encourage you to sign up for the program today so that you take advantage of the opportunity that lies ahead of you. Thank you. Back to you, Roy.